And looks like I've got that going now, so that's good. And I'm going to now mute everyone's lines. Don't worry though, I will unmute you when we're done, so that just to prevent any background noise from coming through. So welcome to the Warranty Express webinar. My name is Matt Cantillon, and as I mentioned, this will be recorded. So if some of you there at Johnstone are wondering, you know, so-and-so couldn't make it on, I will send out a link to this recording once we're done today, so that anyone that's missed this content that needs to see it for warranty training will be able to view it. I put together a document here to just talk about kind of some basic contact folks, and also, you know, listed some websites here, and I came up with just some basic warranty rules that are really good foundation to talk through with you guys, because I know you guys are new to the Goodman and Amana warranties. So that's really the goal of this next 45 minutes, is for me to educate you guys on Warranty Express and how to use it. So the goal here is, when you're done seeing this presentation, you should have an understanding for how to process your warranties. So again, my name is Matt Cantillon. I work on the system side here, so any system-related issues, enhancements, improvements, and training are all done by me. Also on the line with me is Megan Presentine. She is the warranty manager, so she's over the entire warranty department. And also on the line with us is Chantal Waldrop. And Chantal is a very important person, because she is your day-to-day contact person. So she handles the Johnstone account, and she is your designated warranty analyst. I also put Chantal's email address there, so you may want to jot that down if you don't already have it. Chantal is a great resource for your day-to-day questions as it relates to your warranty processing. And Chantal knows that if there's a system issue that you guys encounter, she'll know to come to me to ask me or Megan to look into that for her. So please, your day-to-day issues and questions, you can email Chantal, and she'll be more than happy to help you. So a couple of websites that I jotted down here that are important that we're going to go through today is PartnerLink, so partner.goodmanmfg.com. So you guys should be familiar with PartnerLink. You probably have done some training to a certain extent on this. We're just going to be talking about the warranty-related functions within PartnerLink, which are twofold. Number one is there's a link there in PartnerLink, which I'll show you in just a minute, where you can get directly into Warranty Express. And then there's also a warranty dealer management, which we're going to cover, where we can create our contractors. So we'll talk more about that, but basically, in order for you guys at Johnstone to do a warranty, you have to be able to add your contractors, set them up, as we do require that every contractor is assigned before the warranty is done. One of the other things I wanted to talk about as well is, and Jeff, this is more for you perhaps, is if you guys say, well, yeah, Matt showed us how to add the dealers and it seems tedious to do this for every one of our customers, you guys can actually email me or just send it through Cecilia if you'd like an Excel spreadsheet of all your customers. So you just list your customer's name, their address, city, state, zip code, their account number with Johnstone, and I can actually take that information and I can batch create all of those accounts for you guys same day. So if you guys have a lot of accounts that you want to bring over, rather than just keying them in one at a time, which can be tedious, we can do a batch upload for you, and we'd be happy to handle that for you guys. Some basic rules about warranty that I want to cover first. So all of your warranty claims must be submitted online within 45 calendar days of repair. If you can remember one thing today, this would be the one thing that I would pick that you guys would remember today. Please make sure that you guys are aware that your warranty has to be done within 45 days of repair. So that gives you a month and a half to get your information from your contractor and get the warranty entered online. We also don't accept any paper warranties, no emails. We're gonna show you how to do the warranty, but it has to be done online through our Warranty Express website. And if a claim is in any review status, so when you process the claim, if it tells you that it's in review, it'll alert you what needs to be provided, what type of document is required. You will have 30 days from the date that you submit it to provide that documentation. So we give you guys a little bit of time there. if for some reason a claim is in review for any reason, you'll get notified immediately after you do the claim, and then you'll have 30 calendar days from that date to provide us with that documentation. Typically, what we're looking for there is going to be something like a service invoice or something of that nature, or maybe perhaps a proof of installation or something like that. If there's a large variance in the installation date versus the when it was actually manufactured. If a claim is rejected when you submit a claim, you will have 15 calendar days from that date that you submitted it to resubmit the claim online. So that's an important one as well. So keep in mind the 45-day rule applies. So if you're on the 44th day of your warranty from the date it was done and you submit your claim and it gets rejected, then you would have an additional 15 days from today's date to then resubmit that warranty and make the corrections that are needed there. Oftentimes we see with customers when a claim gets rejected, it might be something as simple as they fat-fingered a date or something like that, and they will often just resubmit it right then and there. And if that's the case, that's fine. We would just need some sort of documentation showing or explaining why or how that happened. I wanted to talk quickly with you guys about registration and Assure before we jump in and actually start doing some examples. But just for your benefit, all Goodman and Amana units have to be registered online within 60 days of install in order for that homeowner to get the full parts coverage. Product registration is a free process and it's open to the public, so anyone that can go to our Amana or Goodman website, and as long as that homeowner registers their new install within 60 days of the unit being installed, they will get the full 10-year and in some cases lifetime warranty on their system. We know that a lot of dealers handle the product registrations for the homeowner, and we're okay with that, but I just want you guys to know that ultimately at the end of the day, it's the homeowner's responsibility to ensure that the installation is done. We're also going to talk a little bit about the Assure extended warranty plans. We do offer those. They're very affordable and they're available up to 1 year after a system is installed. So we give a little bit of flexibility there. So in theory, you know, you could have a system that was installed in August, and you could actually, your contractor, once he gets signed up for Assure, we would allow the Assure extended warranty to be purchased on that unit even though it was installed back in August. So that allows it up to 1 year from install. I want to talk about how our payments work. So when you guys process your warranties on Warranty Express, all of your approved claims for the previous week, on Monday night, we will take all of those approved claims from the previous week and we will send them through our payment system. We will always pay you guys at Johnstone for your parts by credit memo. So it doesn't matter which contractor you're filing your warranty for and who they are or where they're located or what Johnstone store you guys are processing a warranty for, we are going to pay the part to you guys always, no exceptions, by credit memo. If there is labor involved on the claim, so it's an Assure extended warranty, we will pay a labor check, a paper check to your dealer. That paper check will typically be mailed out Monday night, and it usually takes about 4 to 6 business days before, from the date it's mailed out, before the homeowner receives it. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of kind of how that works. So if there's labor, it's going to go to your contractor. That's why it's so important that your contractor's account and information is set up, because that's where we'll literally mail that paper check to. Now, if there's ever a problem with the check not getting to your contractor, or it's been thrown away or lost or whatever, not a big deal. You guys can always contact us, and we can get our credit group to our AP rather to void the old check and then reissue a new one. So that can always be done as well. And I'll show you in just a minute once we get into Warranty Express where you guys can go to see this type of information. So now that we've got the basics over, I'm going to jump over to PartnerLink. Now keep in mind, I'm using a test environment today because I don't really want to do real warranties. So everything that you guys see is in a test environment. It's not real information. It's all fictitious and made up just simply for demo purposes. So I'm signed in here as, I believe this is just a Johnstone, I picked Johnstone 101, which is Cincinnati, just to show you guys this here. But when you guys sign into PartnerLink, hopefully you will have these links showing up, one of them called Warranty Express and the other one called Warranty Dealer Management. Now, Jeff, don't panic if you said, hey, you know, we've already logged in and we don't see these links here. I can work with you guys to get those set up. Basically, we would need your super user, which I believe it's probably Jeff. So Jeff, you would go into account and account admin, and then you could either search your users here. I know this says Goodman here, but that's actually means Johnstone. I think we just named it wrong in our test profile. So I'll pull up a list of my users here. So what you could basically do here, whoever the Johnstone super user is at the store can click the list of your users, and these are the groups that we want to pay attention to, the ones that are in the top right there called warranty and dealer management. So if it's not checked already, you're going to want to make sure you check dealer management. You're going to then check warranty. And then once you do that, it's going to now open up your store groups. So this will have like Ogden and Salt Lake City and whatever other stores that you guys have within your owner group. It's going to list them here. I'm using Johnstone Cincinnati, so this is the stores that it's listing here. I think they have multiple stores in Indianapolis, or we just duplicated them in our test environment. But anyway, at this point in time, you can specify the locations that you exactly want to give this user for warranty. So I want to give this guy Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and Florence. Hit set up warranty access. And then if you're not sure what warranties to give your Johnstone user, you can just hit apply to all there, and it'll give them everything. But I'll quickly talk through these. The allow authorization claims, this will allow your user to do any warranty that is outside the normal warranty. So it would be something what we call special labor allowance, which don't worry, we'll talk more in detail about what that is and what it means. But you definitely want to give them allow claim entry. That will allow them to do any standard or registered warranty claims. You're going to want to make sure you check view claims so that they can view any claims that they process. Allow 12-month part claims, that's up to you which users you want to allow to do that. But there's a different type of warranty for that. We'll talk about that in more detail. The EW stands for extended warranty, that's the Assure. So if you check the EW plan maintenance, purchase, and inquiry for extended warranty, that will give your Johnstone user access to purchase the Assure extended warranties on behalf of Johnstone. Distributor review queue, what that to do their warranty claim. We'll talk more about that, don't worry. They can, those claims will come into distributor review queue. So basically, if the contractor processed the warranty, we want to give you guys at Johnstone the opportunity to review the claim to make sure everything was done correctly before you issue your part credit to your customer, and more importantly, before we issue you guys part credit at Johnstone. Display amounts, if you check this box, this will display all of the part pricing to your Johnstone store user. So there may be a situation there where if you have somebody like it was a temporary employee or something, you might not want them to see your part pricing. You can remove that checkbox if that's desired. And by the way, when your contractors are doing their warranties, they will never see your part pricing or your part amounts that you guys get. It'll always be hidden from your contractor. So I want to make that clear. So assuming you have all that ready to go, you can just hit update here. And so that'll update the user's profile. So whoever the super user is at Johnstone, you're going to want to do these steps, because in doing this, you will basically enable the Warranty Express access to your user. So again, you're going to want to make sure you check dealer management and then check the warranty box. And in doing so, it will automatically open up your store locations. And then once you have that all done, you just hit update. I would have to fill in the titles here. Let's just do this here. I'll just say HVAC, and I'll say USA, zip code. It's a different zip code. We'll just hit update here. And yeah, anyway, that's just a strange quirk and test, but I assure you that will work. And that will update your users' access there to. And I think I got signed out there, so I'm going to open Partner Link back up, test Partner Link rather. Sorry about that, guys. So once you've given your user access to the Warranty Dealer Management and Warranty Express, when they sign in, they will see those options here. So as I mentioned, before you do a warranty, you have to ensure that your contractor is added into Warranty Express. So to do that, you're going to go to Warranty Dealer Management. And then this will pull up the list of all of your contractors. So to look at your contractors, you're going to go to Manage